Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable mono on your PlayStation 5. This is really useful if you're using earphones like this here and you only listen to them in one of your ears. So if you like just having one in and the other one hanging out because you still want to know what's going on in the outside world, then by default this is set to stereo, so you're missing lots of the sounds. Not if you set it to mono, because then you're getting the same sounds through both of your earphones or headphones, so you're not going to miss anything, because if it was stereo you're getting some sounds through the left and some sounds through the right. So basically the experience is better if you're using one when you have it on mono. So we need to go up to settings and we need to go down to sound and we're going to go down to audio output. Come over here and if you go down, it says here mono audio for headphones. I'm going to go down to that and I'm going to turn it on, and it says here play the same audio from both your left and right headphones. And that's it now. When you plug these in, it's going to be working mono, so you're getting the same sounds whether you're using the left or the right. So give it a go and hopefully you will see that it does sound better. Thanks for watching.